Hey traders, let's dive deep and compare. What is the better investment right now, NIO or Nikola Motors? I have here NIO on the charts, and let's just add Nikola Motors and get a comparison here on the daily chart. So it's a tale of two different tapes, really. You have Nikola here highlighted in the line chart, and NIO, the EV maker out of China, in the candlestick chart here. So we've had so much news in the electric vehicle market, with NIO actually surging. That's been around the block for a while, with year over year and month over month car sales just soaring, with NIO stock up nearly 1,100% year to date, while Nikola stock has had a massive fall from grace from around 75 a share to the teens. Massive controversy with their CEO leaving Trevor Milton, and guess what? He just dumped a boatload of shares. Even though he's no longer CEO, he's making billions on billions of dollars. So I am very cautious on Nikola, and I will say it time and time again, that company, wouldn't be shocked to see it sub $10 by early 2021. NIO, right here, you're probably saying, Lance, it has ran so much, so quickly. I cannot justify buying it, not even $10 or so from the highs. Well, if you think the EV market continues to grow, which we've seen, Mercedes-Benz with a huge $1 billion plus investment with over 30 vehicles are looking before 2025, you have to look at the leaders in the space, Tesla and NIO. They're the top two. They've been around. They have production. They have a history with the cars. They're not speculative like Nikola. And also, too, you have to remember GM, that deal, the Nikola Badger truck, they're a very popular one, cut. So what do they really have if you think about it? What does Nikola really have? While NIO, they have cool cars. They have production. The Chinese market is massive, let alone wait till they go international markets, right? If you want to look at two names, NIO versus Nikola, stick with the winner. Stick to the name that's made you the most bang for your buck. Don't try to catch a falling knife or a Nikola. Don't try to catch a truck going downhill with no motor right there. Subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Turn on those notifications. And of course, follow me on Instagram, Lance Ippolito, and Twitter. And have a great trading day.